This is the first design for the whiteboard drawing machine, and then this was the first print, and then these are some older prints. I realized really early on that I had to split up each piece into different prints so that I didn't need to keep reprinting. And a lot of my CAD files show that there's a lot of connections that are made. For example, this piece right here, there's holes at the top that screw into this piece right down there. This piece right here shows the dovetails I put on. Here's me messing with the two axes. Basically I printed out everything, test print everything, and see how it would work together. And then I printed the full piece, assembled it on the frame, and tested it. And here was the result. It was not what I was hoping for. I saw that the piece was spinning on its axes and it wouldn't stay parallel to the board. So I actually did basically a full teardown and I redesigned the pieces. And here's some examples. I redid the pen design. I made a gear for this, and also split up the pieces further so that it was easier to join together on the board, because I actually had this issue where it was getting stuck and I couldn't get the physical piece onto the frame. I tested it one more time and it didn't work. The current problems I'm having is now the right side bar isn't following along with the left side bar and the screw rod, which is the side with the motor on it. Ending on a good note, this is the best video I have of the whiteboard plotter actually working.